Here we go. Now the UI is ready. So we just need, now when I want to click, I need to pass this data to the database. Now I need to have database have full name, gender, and comment. So to get started, if you remember, we already created a class for the database connect, which is this class. So it's really helpful for us to do another class and we name it here db connect, whatever you name it, db connect class, and we added here in ticket reservation, and we will copy all the class that we created before for SQLite, and we try to do some modification because you don't need to spend too many time for updating. So this is the class that we created already. We got information. We rename the database to reservation. Okay, so going back here, let me just create I need to create a class table if not exist. I will create a class name ticket, or a create table name ticket, have ID primary key, I don't care about it, have name, have gender. Let me suppose the gender will be 0 for man and 1 for female, and also I need to add another field which is comment. So I say, hey, I will add comment the data type for text. So hey, grade table have key, I don't care about the key, have to have name, have to have gender, which is integer, and have to have text. If you want, you could save the gender as a text. It's not preferred, but if you want, do it. So let's suppose you could see the data as a text, so you see it as a text, better for seeing it. So name text, gender text, and comment should be text. So now everything is cool, 3 columns. So I need to add name, I need to add gender, I need to add also comment. Okay, so insert into name should be 3 fields. Now I have name, I have gender, and also I have to have comment. Okay, so going back here, this is the third one, and I have to update this one to take 3 parameters. Should be first one name, second one should be gender, and the third one should be the comment. Hey, I'm done from insert. So this is, hey, insert is added. If you want to make it return something, you say, hey, return. So you just read the data, you don't keep it. So you access to the data from UI. You don't print it, you send it back. So you could display message. List users, I will not touch this one for now, but I will just change it here. See here, I have insert into admin, should be insert into ticket. So this one says start from tickets. I have 3 things: ID, name, gender. You could do it in this way. I have ID still, name still doesn't change. You could display gender. You could display also the comments just for showing. You will not do anything with this part, just for showing. So we should show raw for the comments. So yeah, everything should sound cool for me. Yeah, but I will update this function later on when we do the second activity. Delete, you see I will do return, but I will delete by ID. So delete from, not admin. Now we have a new table named ticket. So we delete according to the ticket ID, and we could return record is deleted. This one should be also return, and we update like ticket set. I need to set someone he want to change. What do you think he will change? He never changes his name. He never changes his gender. He will change. Maybe he will change his comment. So he will update his comment. Maybe it's not necessary, but sometimes people want to update their comment. Yeah, here's it. So have to be comment. So now I have everything ready, I think, in my database. So going back to my project, this one I need to do import. So I say, hey, from db, hopefully db up from, which is this the correct one, import db connect. It shouldn't work. Don't why, because this is not the root directory, this is the root directory. So to make this one root directory for just working on, I think you have to go mark directory as source root, so you would able to read from it. It's just how they work, like how the Python, not how the Python work, how this one work. So hopefully now just rerun it again. Now wait, import db class. db class, and now see it's working. So now I say, hey, import db connect. So just change it, and that is. So now he done, just go, I have the instance. Now I could just create an instance from the database, just say, hey, db connect, I'll call a new instance from this one. Now I could do any process I would like. So think about adding, just go here and add, say, hey, db connect dot, I need to add, he asked me about the parameters. I need to send the name, I would send the gender, and also I will send the text. You know that when we done, there is data returned for this method for add. We said, hey, return the record is added. So you have to take message msg equal, and you want to show this message. So how you show this message, you know that you say here message box dot show info. You need to think title equal add info, then the message what you want to show, not message this way. The message that I want to show is this one, whatever I have back from that method. So after adding showing message, you need to clear everything. So full name, you need to clear it. So how you clear it? So full name dot delete, you need delete everything from 0 to the end. Same thing, you want to do all the other stuff, which is something you need to do with format or text. Also you need to do delete, but now I don't say 0, I say 1.0, because this is how to work with text. This is not part from tkinter, this is equivalent to this one. Then call back and there's everything good. So now just run it. I will have to be able now to do ticket reservation. I say Jenna, she is cool. I say she's female, submit. I say record is added. Here you go. Now he delete everything because we enable deleting. So again, Leia, she is female also. I like the place. Save it. There you go. So I need add Hussein, and he is male. We'll try it again. So save, see, every time he save and everything is cool. Now how I would see what I did, so I have to have now database. So here is my database. You could open this database in any way. So I could open it using SQL browser to make sure everything is cool. Let you see what SQL browser show us. So will the data be there or not? So from file, open, and make sure I go to the PyCharm project. So I have too many things here. So PyCharm, Python 3 Udemy. Hopefully I have folder for reservation. This is the database, and this is the ticket table. So everything's so and okay. This is the data. See, everything is should be okay. So now if you try here again, say Anna, she is female, love it, save, that is save it. Now if you just go here, refresh, run added. So now yes, everything is cool, we added. So thank you for watching and see you next.